This is the Jurassic Suite, room 2700 at Loews Royal Pacific. So as soon as you walk in, you have a nice little area here that you can put your bags, you can put your shoes, and this whole area is tiled. And then we have a nice large mirror here, a large sink area, with plenty of towels. We have a nice mirror, toiletries, etc. And then the bathroom with a nice bathtub, shower head, and toilet. I like this bathroom because usually the toilet is flush up against the bathtub, which makes this area a little bit tight getting in and out. But this toilet is recessed a little bit, which gives you lots of room, lots of hooks for your towels. And then it has a frosted barn door. And then opposite of the bathroom is a closet, which I'll open. Our suitcases are already in here. There's plenty of room. There is a safe, and there's the ironing board, and all of the hangers in here. So plenty of room to unpack. And then you walk into the room, and king size bed, nice little nightstands with lots of, you see the plugs and the USBs, a little drawer, bedside lights with its own little switch. Love the headboard. And then we have another light here with a phone and some water and some hand sanitizer with lots of plugs. Once again, a USB, plugs. Notice they go both ways. Another little drawer. That one's broken. Love the wallpaper. And then we have a nice seating area here. I do not believe this is a pull-out couch, but let me look. Oh, it is a pull-out couch. Wow. So another bed there. And here's our view. That's the entryway here. There's City Walk, and directly next to us is Islands of Adventure, and off over, I think it's right there, that is Universal, and I think that's Rip Roarin' Rockets. And you can see, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but the Hulk is running right now, and we can see that right here from our room. Look, there it is. Never been on that roller coaster. Don't know if I will. And then as we flip around here, here is a desk with a lamp, lots more plugs here, and a mirror, and a nice rolling chair here, and a trash can. And then here is the dresser, TV, light, remote in the plastic bag, lots of drawers here. So there's 3 going down here, 3 going down here, and then in here we have a refrigerator. Opens that way, there we go, the little fridge. And then here is a Keurig coffee maker and an ice bucket and glasses. Okay, and then here's the real reason why we're here. This is the Jurassic Suite. This is the Jurassic Park part of the room. Oh my goodness. Is this not every child's dream? So we'll just start over here. Here is the closet. Another nice big closet here. Plenty of room for all of your kids' stuff. And look at this carpet. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? And then over here, we have this great poster. This is from Jurassic World. There's a lot of glare on there, but I don't know if you can see, that is actually the island from Jurassic World. We have a nice little desk here. You had to do some homework or do some work. That's cute. And look at these dinosaurs. Oh my goodness. So cool. These are the beds, and the beds are twin beds. So there's 2 twin beds in here. And then they have the little nightstand in between with this little light, an alarm clock. But once again, notice the plugs and the USBs. I have to say this room has tons of plugs and USBs in it. And there's the other bed. My goodness. And once again, that same view. Look at these curtains. It looks like dinosaur skin and scales. And then a print. I know these are hard to see because of the reflections, because of the lights, but cool light there. Another TV in here and another dresser. Tons of storage in here. Lots of room for stuff. And in this time of COVID, of course, the remotes are in plastic. And there's another thing there. But yeah, this is the Jurassic Suite. This is the kids' suite. I mean, look at that. How cool is that?